1975 Chevy Monte Carlo land yacht. Beautiful car. It's true dual all the way back. It's got stock manifolds. Then what we did is put high flow cats on both sides. If you want the part number, it'll be on in the description. Then 2 1/4 all the way back. Then he had his own FLOWMASTER 40 series. We reused them, and his own tailpipes that we reused, 2-inch. And then we put 3-inch tips on it. Out the sides, right there and right there. There it is, true dual. Let you guys hear it in a second. What do you think? If you want it louder, take those mufflers off. Because there's so many bends, it takes the sound away. Get on it. Appreciate it, bro. Enjoy it.